traders, Tamar here, FXGlobe Ambassador here on a beach in Queensland, Australia. And as you can see, the water are receding behind me, so basically we're having a low tide. And as the water are receding, what is exposed is a beach full of shells. And this is pretty much everywhere around the world. A lot of shells are stuck there on the beach. And did you know, very interestingly, that shells used to be used as a form of currency? So back in the days in Africa, the Cowrie shell was quite rare. It has a special size to it, and it was mostly the same size, and it was quite rare. So when something is rare and not of abundance, it starts to become a value. And then they will start to trade between each other, and you go, all right, will give me a couple of shells for this amount of whatever product that this said person produced. And that's how it went about in Africa. Now then came the Indian merchant, and the Africans were interested in what they had to sell, and they were about to offer them these cowrie shells. And interestingly enough, the Indian merchant looked at it and go, hey, that is not a form of currency for me. We've got this in abundance on our beaches. We don't see any value in it. So you can see the start of a problem here. In one area, something is rare, and then it starts to be used as a form of currency to create these exchanges. In another place, not anymore. This is in abundance. They don't see it as something that is worthy to them. And we can fast forward to today, and we can see the same idea happening of supply and demand. So basically what we have, if we got a currency that is of high supply, such as in the yen at the moment, because there is divergence between what the yen central bank is doing to the rest of the major central banks, and we can see the value of the yen is actually going lower. Where if we can look at the US dollar as an example, and they're tightening the supply of that currency, then we see the rise of the US dollar. So if we look at a pair such as dollar yen, we can see it going higher and higher and higher because of this divergence between the approach of the central bank, which coming down to the same idea of supply and demand. Anyway, beautiful beach, beautiful day around here, and I'm going to take a walk on the beach here. Bye for now.